What? Yeah. From you see me go John Gotti, you know, I say me not have no pity. No gimmicks thing no dead about it, nation people. A wicked thing I go on in the street. I dance all right about no. Yo, previously when I dropped the video, you know, I never want to run my mouth, you know. And I say, well then, jahshii this skeng or whatever, you know. But right now, to all me say, Buddha, dive in a jahshii comment section and to all jahshii answer him because Buddha say right now, them no kill a friend killer. And you know what I mean? I raise them, raise friend. And jahshii make him know, yo, we not deal with mind game business. Remember, jahshii, you know, people, tell Anthony Miller, you know, say if him find out, say, you know, anyone I'm friending him, you know, I pray him for kill him, you know. Him a go drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them upon them, you know. Remember, jahshii tell Anthony Miller that loud and clear, you know, so no gimmicks thing not dead in it. So me never know say when jahshii say none of him friend them and no cokehead a skeng him at a bumble rascal dance I'll get wicked now. A wicked dance I'll get wicked now, nation people. Make we drop necessary equipment first. Of the world, it's not a plan. So what you are going, you know, carefully, you know. Hey, yo, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. Uno know it going on when I come to represent a full effective. Uno know it go when me load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, uno know a loud explosion bout ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people, the thing get wickeder how me expect right now. You see what I say? No gimmicks, no inner it. So when I look come on a point out to me and I say, yo, you know listen the full song till it done. And when it done, jahshii say, get up now. Get up now. So in the first part, the man I make you know say none of him friend them not take coke. So me that think say well then, him a talk in the behalf of a skeng. I say right now skeng no do it. No Buddha. Dive in the comment section. Me no need to see no more. And she say well then him jahshii this skeng. So, jahshii is a hell of a nigga. No joke thing no dead about it. Me no need nobody to tell me nothing, yo. You's a hell of a nigga. You know why? A 3 man you this one time and you know play. You know what I mean? Normal a lie. You think you're easy, jahshii? Me know I grade the smoker, you know, bun beady. You tell us a beer curving here, intence about him now, all the meds. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. You see what me I say? So right about now, you know, when we never see jahshii answer silkboss, you know, it's like bigger fish, the wife for the fish, but you know what I mean? It's like bigger soldier there. You see what me I say? Well, big thing that go on underneath the quiet when nobody now spill and jahshii watch every movement. So my brother look like jahshii not take him higher fight. So right now, the people them ask you are, you know them get more than what them can manage, you know. No gimmicks business not that about it, you know. And a lollipop thing, you know, from, you see me go John Gotti, you know, no gimmicks business, not dead about it, you know. From me go John Gotti, look people, now you don't even know if underneath my coat, me have my double mouth shotty. You see what I say? All me have to talk to them. No, if me not have no pity. No gimmicks thing not there in my game, you know, my brother. You know, see what kind of time. A war time, whoopsie all the time. No gimmicks business not that about it. Eh? Eh? Hey people, can you believe me? Eh? We see everything, you know. We see everything, you know, a boil up, you know, and a cook up, you know. There's where I say, from the unruly boss come out and I make them know, say, yo, no man, no boy, no fair influence you, them protect no bally, you know. And any artist I do that, you know, what we go on and where, you know. And if you remember the same day, you know, a jahshii and the unruly boss are roll, you know. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing in it, and then the embrace we go on a Sunfest with Massacre and jahshii. Me no know if I be a pre-men's watch because right now Skeng I say a 6 month now he might play the mind game, you know. So who him could have played the mind game pan 6 months now. Remember Skeng and Papi are the role, you know. So I can't Papi him play a mind game pan a half a jahshii, you know. 6 months now, I play the mind game on the man, you know. And a 6 months now, since Popcorn chat about that, you know, the Mali business, you know, and him and jahshii are rolling, you know. So it look like jahshii pick up everything, you know, where them are going on with, you know. So when Buddha, you know, I dive in at the man comment section and I talk about, you know, them a friend killer, you know, and them a friend a kill friend and them shit there, you know. And the man may use the same argument for them and make them know, you know, mind game cannot work for me, you know. No gimmicks business not dead about it, you know. So jahshii they have a history, you know. From the man see mind game, the man just pop off and just start rings, you know. So right now, you know, we are going to see what go on right now, you know, because a jahshii go for, you know, the triplet, you know, three-piece chicken and chips, you know, the man go for, you know. Skeng, intence and silkboss, you know. A 3-piece chicken and chips, the man go for, my brother. You don't see that? You not blind to it? You not see no gimmicks thing in the game? Right now, shot fly through boy head and gone with them knowledge, you know. No gimmicks thing, jahshii not easy. Now this one a ball for people. War, who want war, now you get war in abundance because right now, a beer man have to go fire from all different cylinder right now. I know you not hear the genocide boss, you know. I only forgot say, you know. I think I sat when at the 20th Saturday. I think Saturday, you know. The genocide boss, you know, have a show, you know, over bellies, you know, him and the same jahshii, you know. Who for tell the both of them, you know, probably a link right now, you know. And I say yes, you know. You know what I mean? Mission start, you know. It don't leave you accomplish right about now, you know. No gimmicks thing that the inner it nation people, you know, see where I go. A John got him, I go. All know nobody don't know. For sure. Right now, if 10 star have double mouth shotty. You see what I say? I may move monkey. Nobody don't know if me a rock on the monkey hours and have knock. You know if me have knock lean up on my back? With the blood, you see a war time. Eh? You have to arm and dangerous. You see what I say? Nobody not safe. You know see that? A jahshii said nobody not safe. A 3-piece chicken and chips him go for. You think him easy? Him no pop Mali. A beer high grade him smoke. And no beady. You not believe me? You not see what I want on the internet? I say, I never want to say nothing about it because I say the argument kind of look twisted. I don't know if the man I say, no, I'm friend them no bun co. That means Skeng himself no bun it. But in the last part of the tune when the man I say get up for real, but I still never watch that because I never want jump the guns and I say, me easy. When I take a stop, a Buddha run in the man comment section and I tell the man about yo, jahshii, you're a tough youth. Because if I saw them a pray you because the unruly boss record for Mali, and if them a pray you because the big embrace from the genocide artist, and it naturally, actually and fracturally say skeng a prayer because him say a 6 month now him a play the mind game. You know him and Popcorn and a virgin we will roll like that. So after you ma playing the mind game for 6 months now and a 6 month now since Popcorn talk about the Mali business. Jahshii, you're bad boy. I love how you execute. You know, hesitate. Yes, what I say? You know what I mean? You first rip off and squeeze. Or the general, you know, the 10-star one, the whole place messy, you know. Yes, what I say? You can't leave guns at home right now. You have to carry them on road. What? Bad boy, Jahshii.